Welcome everybody. Today's topic that is about the types of egg. जैसे कि हम लोग ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन पर है, this means we are studying human reproduction, and in that today's topic that is about the types of egg. Okay, आखिर कितने प्रकार के एग्स हो सकते हैं, आज हम लोग इसके बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। फर्स्ट जो हम लोग टाइप ऑफ एग्स के बारे में चर्चा करने वाले हैं वो फर्स्ट होगा हम लोगों का अमाउंट ऑफ यॉर्क। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ यॉर्क एग कितने प्रकार के होते हैं और एग कौन कौन सा होता है। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ यॉर्क, ओके। तो फर्स्ट that is the microlethal egg. Microlethal egg, you know good way that what is the means by micro means is small. Microlethal egg, this means yolk amount is very less in microlethal egg, okay. In microlethal egg, yolk amount is very less, okay. And its example is in which system this microlethal egg is present. So this is present in, and its best example is human egg, okay. Microlethal egg, its best example is human egg. Second, that is the mesolethal egg, okay. Meso means medium. This means moderate amount of yolk is present in the egg. Moderate amount of yolk is present in the egg, that is the mesolethal egg, and its best example that is the frog. That is the frog, okay. Third, that is the macro or polylethal egg. Macro means large, poly means large, more, okay. To macro, this means sufficient amount of yolk is present. In the macrolethal egg, polylethal egg, macro amount of yolk is present in egg, okay. It's the best example of macrolethal egg in which more amount of yolk is present. That's best example is birds and reptiles. Birds and reptiles, okay. On the basis of amount of yolk, here we are distributed microlethal egg, mesolethal egg, and macro or polylethal egg, okay. Microlethal egg, its best example that is the human egg. Mesolethal egg, that's best example is frog, and macro or polylethal egg, its best example that is the birds and reptiles, okay. Second, on the basis of distribution, okay, on the basis of distribution of yolk, this is the basis on the amount of yolk, that how much amount of yolk is present. But this is the second, that is the on the basis of distribution of yolk, okay. In which system how much distribution of the yolk, किस सिस्टम में कितना यॉर्क का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, उसके बेसिस पे हम लोग अभी एक को डिवाइड करेंगे। फर्स्ट दैट इज द होमो और आइसोलेसिथल एग। होमो मीन्स आप जानते हैं इक्वल, आइसो मीन्स भी आप जानते हैं इक्वल, सेम। ओके, तो होमोलेसिथल दिस मीन्स आइसोलेसिथल एग मीन्स यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ यॉर्क। कहाँ पे यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा? तो यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ यॉर्क इन साइटोप्लाज्म, जिसके साइटोप्लाज्म में यॉर्क का यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, सेम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, उसे हम होमो और आइसोलेसिथल एग कहते हैं। इट्स बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल दैट इज ह्यूमन। ओके ओके, सेकेंड दैट इज द टेलोलेसिथल एग। टेलोलेसिथल एग, in टेलोलेसिथल egg, in this egg is present in one side, not in the center. Okay, and its best example, this means in the टेलोलेसिथल egg, yolk is present in one side, not in the center, and not uniform distributed. This is present, this is in the टेलोलेसिथल egg, yolk is present in one side. Okay, and its best example that is hen. टेलोलेसिथल का एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? hen. Okay, सेंट्रोलेसिथल एग, सेंट्रोलेसिथल एग जिसमें कि यॉर्क जो है वो सेंटर पर प्रेजेंट होगा, वो ना वन साइड होगा ना पूरे साइटोप्लाज्म में यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होगा। इस सेंट्रोलेसिथल एग का, इसका यॉर्क जो है वो सेंटर पर प्रेजेंट होगा। Okay, this means of the centroleasital egg, its yolk is present on the center. Its yolk is present on the center of cytoplasm, in the cytoplasm. Okay, and its best example that is the eggs of insects. Eggs of insects, in which yolk is present in centers of egg. Okay, in the cytoplasm. Okay, यहाँ पे याद रखने वाला मैटर ये है, अगर आप पूरा याद नहीं रख सकते तो यहाँ पे दो जरूर याद रखें। You are human and it is very necessary to remember that if you are human, then it is very necessary to know that which character is present in the human. Due to this reason, I am saying that it is very necessary to remember only 2 points if you are not able to remember all points. Okay, first that is the on the basis of amount of yolk in the human microleasital egg present. On the basis of amount of yolk, on the basis of amount of yolk in human microleasital egg present, in which yolk is very very less, in which amount of yolk is very very less. So on the basis of amount of yolk in human microleasital egg is present. Okay, and on the basis of distribution of yolk in human homo and isoleasital egg present. Okay, this 2 point is very very necessary to remember. Okay, and if you are able to remember all points, then remember this is a very nice matter. Okay, and one egg is also cladoic egg. In the cladoic egg, this egg is self-sufficient egg. Okay, cladoic egg, that is the self-sufficient egg and sufficient yolk to supply nourishment for complete embryonic development. दिस मीन्स क्ल्यूडेइक एग जो है इसका बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं तो रेप्टाइल्स और बर्ड्स में देख सकते हैं. ओके, क्ल्यूडोइक एग का बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल्स रेप्टाइल्स एंड बर्ड्स. ओके